Hey kids, ready to have some fun with ABCs?
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bounce to the beat. C for cat, it loves to play. D for dog, it runs all day. A, B, C, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands, jump around. Letters make a happy sound. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and round. H for hat, put it on now. A, B, C, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands, jump around. The letters make a happy sound. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jelly, wobbly treat. K for kite, flying high. L for lemon, give it a try. M for monkey, swinging free. N for nest, up in a tree. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, talking all night. A, B, C, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands, jump around. Letters make a happy sound. Q for queen with a shiny crown. R for rainbow, up and down. S for sun, shining so bright. T for tiger with stripes so white. U for umbrella when it rains. V for violin, play again. W for whale, big and blue. X for xylophone, play a tune. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, black and brown. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing again and dance with me.